Okay, good morning, TikTok. Okay, let's backtrack a little bit and talk about assembly language. Okay, assembly language is a low-level type of programming language that is intended to communicate directly with the computer hardware. Assembly language is the closest to machine language, and machine language is the language that the computer understands. Actually, during school, I think assembly language on a scale of 1 to 10 is among the hardest courses you ever do as a computer science student. It's kind of hard. So the computer has an architecture of kind of way things are arranged. First of all, you have the hardware. The machine language is what communicates with the hardware. Machine language is just zeros and one. Then we have the assembly language and high-level languages. Assembly language is a low-level language. After that, we have high-level language like C++ and so on. So, assembly language, it will help you to understand computer properly, like computer architecture and programs for computer. Like with the use of assembly language, you are better able to understand how some things work in the background of the computer. So this is simple assembly language program that just does one thing: output the string hello world. So first of all, we have the move instruction. MOV means move, like you're moving this message, the length of the message len to the registry address EDX. Like the registry address is a memory location inside the system. So this, when you see move, the first word that comes after move is the opcode and then the comma operand. So you're moving the operand len into the EDX register, then message into it. Then moving the value 1 into this. You can see the comments. I commented the code so that you know what is happening. So you move the value 4 into EAX and then you call the kernel. Then you move system call number 1 into EAX. Then after that, you bring out the message you want to like print out, which is hello world. Then so these are the outputs of the code. Hello world. So please like, comment, share, and follow me if you enjoy my content, and add your own suggestion. What do you think about it?